Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some disinfectant wipes. So as we all know, we are still quarantined in our houses, so I just want to show you what I have been doing, and maybe this might help someone or whatsoever. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing to keep myself from germs and disinfectant and all of that. So I went to the Dollar Tree and bought some wipes, but the wipes that I got, it doesn't have any paraben free, alcohol free, fragrance free, and chlorine free. So this wipes that I'm gonna make is literally for my car. Like if I go into a store, I can wash my hands right away. I can use this to wipe my hands until I can get home to kill whatever bacteria, viruses that that I may have on my hands or whatsoever. So this is from the Dollar Tree. This is wipes from Fisher Price right here. It says 80 wipes, as you can see. And I also got the Betty Cracker Easy Seal bowls. These are two for $4. You can use these as well. And I also have my Dollar Tree Pine Glow. It says antibacterial and disinfectant, kills 99.9% bacteria and viruses, and kill viruses, kills pandemic 2009 H1N1 influenza, a virus formerly called swine flu. Okay, so we're gonna be using this as well. We're gonna be using all Dollar Tree products today and try to be safe. Basically, that's what this tutorial is all about today. So let me show you what I'm gonna be doing. It's very plain and simple. Anybody can do this, and you can use any thing besides what I'm using here. Okay, so this is the bowl. Hopefully this fits, you know what I mean, because sometimes it doesn't. So yeah, it looks like it's going to fit. Okay, so we're gonna and then we're just gonna wipe it off like that, and then we're gonna open our wipes. Okay, so now I'm gonna open my wipes. Hi. And then I'm gonna put it right in. Excuse me, I'm doing video. Okay. So now that I have my bowl right here, and then my wipes right here, so I'm going to put half a cup. Yes, half a cup is right in the middle of here. Half a cup. If I fold up, that's a cup. Okay? Let me just fold up to a cup. Okay? So I got a cup of pine salt. So I'm just gonna wet it.
Oh, that's cool.
That's cool?
Yeah. I can't open it.
So now let everything sit just like that. Okay, so let it sit so all of that pine salt we get into every piece of wipes that is in there. Okay guys, so now that we waited for the wipes to get saturated and things like that, so now all you have to do is just take it and just like this, just take it and just wipe your hands. You can use this to disinfect whatever you want to disinfect. You can also do that as well. So this is literally for my car. You can also use this and put it into a Ziploc bag if you want to. If you don't have a container to put this to store this in, you can also use a Ziploc bag, any container that you know has a lid or whatsoever. It works perfectly fine, but I feel like $2 for $1 it worth the price. And also, so I did that, and why not? So this is a lot. This is 80 wipes in here, so it's gonna take me a very long time. Well, now that we wash our hands so much, so about 2 to 3 weeks this should last me, because I'm the only one driving, so this is literally for my car. So like I say, if I go to any store or whatsoever, when I come back in my car, before and after, I just wipe my hands until I can get home, so that I can wash my hands the meantime. But you can also use Clorox bleach for this, and it doesn't only have to be Pine Sol. If you want to see a Clorox bleach for this one, let me know, and I will do that as well. So yes, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.